Certifications or experience? Which one's better? Certifications show that you've been able to study a body of knowledge and then pass a written test at the end. This is great if you don't have any experience. It shows that you have been able to retain information and you've been able to apply it to a particular problem and pass a test. That's great, but it only shows that you've been able to memorize the knowledge. It doesn't show that you actually know how to apply that particular knowledge, and even under what circumstances does that knowledge prove to be detrimental and not help you to solve the problems. Now let's talk about experience. Experience is good because it not only helps you show that you have the knowledge and the skills, but it also shows that you know when to apply it and you've been able to get a positive outcome from applying that knowledge. So whether you've been doing IT work or you've been doing some form of cyber already, showing experience is much, much better than a certification. So is experience or is it certification? I would say my vote is for experience. And anytime that you can show that you've applied some skill or knowledge, then that's experience. It doesn't necessarily have to be a job. It could be when you volunteered for something. It could be as simple as a home lab or a CTF, a capture the flag event where you've done some problem solving and used some of your demonstrated skills to do an objective. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please go to my channel and look for more videos. The link is in the comments below. Thank you.